Hello and welcome back. Let's continue our project. So we already have our spread character here, and we already give the algorithm for changing the costume to make it looks walking. Next, we are going to add the maze uh, as a backdrop. So I will show you how to find that one. So we are going to find it in dribble. So I did find this one. It's good for our project. Okay, and let's see if there is the download button, or we can just right click and save the image. We rename this as maze. Okay, now we add to our scratch. Sing this one and choose upload. Go to downloads folder and add. So as you can see, our backdrop is not covering all layout. So to do that, we have to convert it to vector, and we can then resize the maze. Okay, nice. And we can delete this. Okay, now since our character size to 100, okay, and makes our character in the top one. Okay, so to make our program, our character always go to this position whenever we run the game, we have to set the position. Why? Because if we don't set the starting position whenever you already move this character, and you just stop and run the game again, your character is in the last position. So we go to the motion and at the go to X direction. So the X and Y this is already the same to the current position. You can add here. Okay. Now we want to move our character and add the condition whenever he hit the collision, make this character cannot go through. So we can make sure you click the character again and add the another green flag. Okay, as always, add the forever. Okay, and the if condition. So we can move our character whenever he doesn't collect this maze. So we want to choose touching color. Whenever this character is not touching, so we want to add this not. It's not touching, and just the color. Okay, then we can move using another if. And key press to the left side and move our character to the left. For that, sorry. For that, we want to set the direction to the left, and then move maybe 2 steps. Make it go to this position again. Okay. We want to add another direction, maybe to left down, and the direction to the down. Okay, make sure you click this one so the rotation is only to the left and to the right, not rotate. Okay, we add another key direction to the right, another one to the up. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, you can go up, go down. Okay. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. Okay. We want to fix this one. Okay, next